Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change inches to pixels in Photoshop. This is very useful when you are working for web design, YouTube thumbnails or digital project where pixel size is required instead of inches. So let's begin. Example, open your project or image, then go to image tab, canvas size and width series inches pixels. Since white height and again go to image tab, image size, see this show pixels, then resolution for YouTube or web 72 and only for print 300. Change pixels, inch, percentage, millimeters, centimeters. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.